Okay guys, I'm coming back with another Metrobi video today. So today I have a shorter route than usual with Metrobi. I'm leaving out at around 1:45 p.m. here in Los Angeles, California. Hopefully I can do the route pretty quickly so I can beat rush hour. I am starting in Sun Valley, going all the way over to Beverly Hills area, and then I live kind of close to Sun Valley. I live in Glendale basically. So I'm gonna have to come all the way back over here by the end of the night. This is also my last day in LA for about a week and a half while I go back to Florida. I'm gonna be going out with some friends tonight. We're gonna hit like a party, hit like the club, hit a bar, whatever. So I wanna get back over to this side so I can handle a couple more errands and do some music stuff with my friends. So enough of that, guys. I have my Metrobi route. Here is all the items today. So I have about 7 packages, I wanna say, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages, and then I have I think like 6 or 7 stops, 6 or 7 drop-offs. The route is about 35 miles, I believe, and I'm gonna let you guys know the pay. I pulled up and they weren't ready, so I'm getting a little bit of weight pay. I think $20 added on top, but stick around to the end of the video. I'll let you know how the route goes, how it went, and how much I got paid for all of this. This is through the Metrobi app. So far guys, I will say I've been liking Metrobi. I come to this one location in Sun Valley. It's a certain company. The guy here is really cool. Yeah, so far it's been going pretty good. It seems like a fair route. So stick around guys. All right guys, I'm on my Metrobi route right now. I'm on my way to my 3rd delivery. I just wanted to show you guys something. So in LA, it's just so beautiful out here. I don't know if I can zoom with my camera, but these are just like some of the mountains. I'll try to cut it and get like a better angle of them soon, but yeah, it's cool being out here, man. Like, I love LA. I don't know if you guys live out here or whatever, but one of the main reasons that I moved to LA from Florida is Florida's all flat. Out here in LA, they have like all these different hills, mountains, you have the ocean, you can go out to the desert. There's literally everything here. Also, I'm in traffic right now, guys, so it's a little bit backed up. But yeah, making these deliveries, doing it. I'll tap back in with you guys soon. Guys, I'm here making my deliveries. I'm on top of my SUV right now, but look at this view. Let's see if it focuses a little bit, but in the background, there's like downtown all the way over there. I'm literally up in the hills right now. Here, let me get a better view. See if I can hit a zoom for you guys, but yeah, this is crazy. That's like the west side over there. That's like Beverly Hills, Century City, and then if you look over there to your left, that's downtown LA over there. So yeah, this is why I live in LA, guys. It's just so crazy. And look at all these houses. I'm up in the hills right now making this delivery. We got palm trees. It's a beautiful day. It's literally the middle of December right now. It's not even, it was a little bit chilly, but not really super cold today. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the landscape a tiny bit. It's crazy. This place warms my heart. That's why I'm out here.